Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change language in Zoho Books. It's very easy thing to do. What you have to do is first go to zoho.com/books and then log in with your credentials. Then after logging in, you will see a bunch of options here. From the right side, select your profile icon from the top right. Then select my account, and then you will see a bunch of options in the left sidebar. So from here, select settings, profile. Then from here will see an option edit here. Just select it. Now you will see your name, first name, last name, display name, gender, country or region, and another option is language. Just select your preferred language from here, and then select save, and it will be changed. And that's how you can change language on Zoho Books. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more video like this.